is a word that is used very easily. It's not as bad as what people think. Any kind of investment you have to research. If the company does well, the stock can go up. If the company does not do well, and 100 other factors, the stock can go down.
Hi and welcome to Cut the Noise. My name is Abhi Bhardwaj and where we cut the noise on the latest buzz going around in the market related to finance and wealth. And when it comes to finance and wealth, we definitely need someone who has a great expertise in this area. And we have Raman over here with more than a decade of experience in finance. So first of all, thank you so much, Raman, for coming with us.
No, thank you so much for calling me an expert. Yeah.
There's this thing in training that's recession time, global recession.
Yes.
People are getting laid off, they are losing jobs. At this point, what is your point on bonds right now?
Recession is a word that is used very easily. It's not as bad as what people think. Maybe at least I'm talking from an India perspective. I'm not talking from a US or a UK perspective or a Germany perspective. People have been, obviously things have not been great. Whether because of the war between Ukraine and Russia, electricity prices went up in Europe. And all of those things have been happening. US maybe, things have been going on. It's been, I think, more than 6-7 months where people have been talking about the fact that Facebook is laying off people, Google is laying off people. All of that has happened. While there is a slowdown, India is still better off than the world. If you saw the GDP numbers that came in last quarter, India is doing decently well. Much better than the world, but we are not comparing because we are a smaller economy as well. So, but having said that, what has happened over the last 1.5 years is that US and globally, every country has increased rate quite substantially. So when I say substantially, US has not seen this kind of pace in increase in yield from nearly 0% rate. Now they're at around 4.5%. So that's a huge amount of jump. In India, we've seen, our interest rates going up by 250-300 basis points, at 2 to 3% basically. So and today in the RBI policy, the RBI in the last two policies have actually stopped, talking about rate hikes. Same cases in the US where Fed is also saying that there could be a rate hike, but right now, because we're in such a scenario that rate hikes new. On the other hand, India is also, every country is nearly at the peak of the cycle in interest rate. From here on, interest rates either can go up very slightly or will start coming down over a period of time. In those kind of scenarios, what you have to do is that lock in your rates. At least from a fixed income perspective, what you do, either FD करना है या bonds लेने या mutual funds लेने, you lock in your rates when it's at the higher level. As interest rates comes down or market में parity or sanity comes back, you automatically see that the rates will come down. Prices of bonds are inversely related, so prices will go up and you will make better money. Let's say आज I can buy a bond which is available on our GRIP platform. We have a bond which is available for 6 months going up to 24 months at a range of 9.5% to 11%. Okay. Today, if I buy these bonds, I'm locking my interest rate at 11%. Let's say I buy the 24-month bond at 11%. I lock in at 11%. Now, if the market over the next 24 months, if the interest rates goes down, I have locked in my rate for 11%.
You will anyway get it.
I will get 11%. 5 साल का इक्विटी मार्केट ऊपर नीचे होने के बाद 5 साल इक्विटी मार्केट का एवरेज रिटर्न होता है 12%. You are locked in at 11% without the volatility. The only thing that you have to monitor कि वो company which is the bond that you are buying, actually that company is doing well or not. Okay, you have to quarterly look at their numbers, what's happening. All of that you have to keep a track on. Keep researching on those companies and keep holding these bonds for 24 months. So every year you will make 11% per annum. Easy, right? You don't have to do much.
Thank you so much, guys, for joining us. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please do comment your views, your points, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask us in the comment section. And please like, subscribe, share. You guys are smart, you know everything.